Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a little bit of a haul, and what's special about this is the fact that I'm going to be finally sharing with you how I get products from India shipped internationally. Every time I do a Nika haul or a pack haul or anything basically Indian, the number one question that I get is, do they ship internationally? How do you get all of these things internationally? And I've been using a service called forwardparcel.com. It is a shipping service in which you can buy whatever is in India and you can ship it to their particular address and they will ship it to you worldwide. And you get this international shipping, guys, within 3 to 5 days. So it's super fast, so convenient, so easy, and I wanted to show you what I got in this last month. Also, a quick side note, all of this, what I'm going to be showing today, is all PR stuff. So it's kind of like a PR unboxing, which I usually do over at my Instagram stories. Now, I am not much of a shopper, so I don't shop much. And so how I use this service, in my personal case, is to get my PR stuff shipped over to Kuwait. And I didn't want to call this video a PR unboxing because I just find those videos a little braggy, to be honest. But I do my PR unboxings just to show you guys what I'm receiving via PR on my Instagram page. Before getting into my haul itself or PR unboxing, whatever you want to call it, I want to speak about how you can use forwardparcel.com. I will leave their links and everything down in the description box. It's just so easy, you guys. So you can register for free on their website, and once you register, you are given an Indian address, and that is going to be my address from here on. So every time you shop at Nika.com, Myntra.com, Amazon, wherever you want to shop, guys, wherever you want to shop, now you give this new Indian address that Forward Parcel gives you. What I also like about them is that you have a one-on-one communication with a person from their team. With me, somebody got in touch with me via WhatsApp, and every time I got a parcel, somebody kept in touch with me, send me pictures, and whatever I wanted, like I asked them to discard the box, they discarded the box, and one of those products came broken and spilled completely in the package for me, and they actually took care of the return of that. And also, if you are gonna make multiple purchases, or if you are expecting multiple packages like I did, you don't need all those boxes. Can you imagine how heavy your shipment will be? So they're gonna open up every single box of yours, quality check everything, if it's broken or if it needs a return or whatnot, and they, on request, only if you want, they will not open your box if you do not want them to, on your request, will consolidate and repack everything and put it into one big box and then ship it to you. So you're just going to be paying for one box, and they will also take away the weight of the unnecessary extra packaging of multiple boxes if you are buying multiple products. Now, for me, this particular box that I'm going to be showing, let me take it, guys. So this is my box, and this is what all of my products came in. This weighs 7 kilos, and I had to pay 7,000 rupees as Forward Parcel's rates at the end of it. Registry, sign in, everything is free. But they also have like a yearly membership. Obviously, you'll have a lot more benefits for the yearly membership. So prior to Forward Parcel, how I used to get my products in Kuwait is I used to ask my family or friends, whoever is traveling from India to Kuwait, to actually bring those products. So I used to give their address, get it shipped to them, and all of those sometimes they cancel their travel and I never get my products. So this actually takes a middleman out. You don't have to ask anybody to do you a favor. You can just get whatever you want whenever you want. If it is in India, they'll just ship it right to you, and it doesn't take any time at all. Loki. And if you are a shopaholic, they also have a Facebook page where they update all information about like the current sales and what's happening in the Indian market. So if you want to keep up to date about what is happening with respect to shopping, well, they have a page. If that is you, I'm not so pro shopping, but if that is you, they have a Facebook page where all information, sale information, everything is there. You can check that out as well. They also have an assisted purchase service for those of you whose card do not work on Indian shopping websites. So they can actually help you out with that as well. Basically, they'll help you through the whole thing, guys, and they're so great. And I also want to thank them for sponsoring this part of the video. Thank you so much. And it gives me so much pleasure to get this message out into the world that such a service exists today in India, and it's amazing, and my life has been made simple, guys. I can tell you that. Being an Indian beauty blogger who does not live in India, now I can get access to more Indian things thanks to services like theirs. So all information about Forward Parcel will be in the description box. So make sure to check it out, guys. Loki is in an extra naughty mood today. So anyways, having said all that, let's see what I have from India. We got some really exciting things, guys. Right on top, I have a Nykaa package. This is the Wanderlust in English Rose fragrance. I did a whole unboxing of this on Instagram story, so I'm not gonna do this again over here. But the whole box itself smells so good. It comes with 6 products, guys, all the way from lotions, body butters, shower gels, loofah. So it is a really good gifting option if you want, and they're all in between the range of 350 to 550 rupees, so it's not even expensive. So it's like kind of like a more affordable version of Bath and Body Works, so that's what I like. And somebody asked me if the Body Shop English Rose fragrance is same as the Nykaa one. It's not. It's very different. From a brand called justherbs.com, they are launching their first crowdsourced lipsticks. It's all organic and it's pure and everything. So they've sent me a sample of all of their new lipsticks, and I will be doing a whole swatch of this for my Instagram videos. So if you are not following me on Instagram, guys, please make sure to follow me there. And then from this website called Jivana.com, they send me a bunch of jewelry. I think they are having a sale going on right now, guys, and I picked up some beautiful Indian jewelry. Wow, that is beautiful. And I have tiny hands and it looks like it'll fit my tiny hands. I love it. Like, I realize that I don't have pretty bracelets for when I wear Indian wear. I just have bangles, and I'm not always in the mood for bangles, you know, so this is just so perfect for that. Love it. More from Jivana. Oh, this packaging is by Forward Parcel. This is what I said, that they individually wrap once they take out all the different packages, you know. And if you don't want them to bubble wrap every single package, you can tell them to not bubble wrap everything as well. Like, you can tell them what you want, you know. This is so beautiful. These are a pair of earrings. Let me bring it up close to you. Wow, that is stunning. Stunning. The sparkle on this is insane. And a lot of the time, what I've noticed is when I buy costume jewelry like this online, a couple of these stones are missing, but this just looks so elegant and so luxurious, so expensive. I love it. Guys, I'll also leave the links of these guys down in the description box if you want to check it out. Now I'm gonna pick up random things, so I might come up with another Jivana thing again. I don't know. I don't remember. I have a box, an empty box. This is from this skincare brand called Share More. Now, this girl, such a sweet girl, she got in contact with me on, I think, Instagram, and she wanted to send me some of her products. And again, you know, I listened to her story and everything. It was so inspiring, and I love to support smaller brands because they put in a lot of love and effort into the products that they produce, instead of like mass produced products by big companies. You know, smaller brands really pay attention to detail. Not all though. Not all though. So I like to listen to the stories and like decide who I want to work with. I don't really work with everybody who contacts me. So she sent across this, I think this is the amethyst roller, and she said it brings joy or peace or something. And I did not try this out till now because I wanted to open this in front of you guys. Oh, it is so cold. Wow, I did not. And it is, wow, it feels, I feel like I could go to sleep right away. So anyways, I have been seeing these jade rollers and, you know, the stones, a lot of these facial tools a lot, and I've been wanting to try them out. So it's great that, you know, I got my hands on these. So I will definitely try them out and let you know. Speaking of my Bay YBP, guys, they've come out with their skincare line, and their first product is this plant oil called Plant Remedy. I love everything about them, guys. I love the owner. She's the sweetest. I feel like we're soul sisters. Like, something about her is exactly something about me. It's the same, okay? And I also love the fact that they also just produce, I believe, one product in 1 year. So they take all that time to research and pour in all of their hard work and love and effort and study and research into that one product in an entire year, guys. Think about it. So this Plant Remedy is what they've launched this year. and I have not tried this out yet because I'm trying out way too many skincare products at this moment, and I wanted to give this guy a moment of its own so that I know the result, whatever I'm getting, is from this. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to mix it up with others that I'm trying. So this is what it looks like. Stunning, stunning packaging. The oil itself is like a beautiful mermaid blue green color. I don't know, I haven't opened it actually, to be honest. I've never. Let's do it together. Oh guys, I can see life in there. It's even cloudy. Smells like oil, and it's also refreshing, and it. Damn, I need to get myself onto this ASAP. YBP has also come out with their guasa. So I believe this is the amethyst guasa as well. She sent this across. And once again, I am so excited to try this out, guys. So if you follow Payal Thakur on Instagram, the owner of YBP, she has shown a lot of tutorials on how to use this and why to use this and all that. So again, these tools very new to my routine, and I'm very excited to try this out. Next, from this brand called Bougie Beauty. I honestly forgot what it was. That's a cute packaging though, and a cute handwritten note. Oh, they have a whole set of brushes. It seems like a full face and eye brush. Ooh, they've got everything. Wow, that's very impressive. I will speak more about this on my Instagram stories and furthermore on my tutorials and stuff. Let's quickly read the note, right? Let's see what they're about. So they say, "Dear Jovita," with a bunch of hearts. "Welcome to the Bougie family." Ooh, I like that. "Hope you love our range of vegan, cruelty-free, and hence super soft makeup brushes. Thumbs up and thumbs up. Oh, your followers can use code Jovita to avail a discount on their orders." I didn't know. Guys, not an affiliate, but you get a discount. You can use the code Jovita without an H, just Jovita, to get a discount on their website. So check it out, guys. Look at that. They actually took out the products from this bag and left the bag inside just in case I wanted the bag. You know, that's how much thought the Forward Parcel guys put into their packaging. Anyways, coming back to share more, she sent me 100% natural and farm fresh rose water, your everyday soothing and cleansing balancer for a healthy, radiant skin. So I guess you can use it as a toner to refresh. From the same brand, we've got 2 tubs of calming aloe vera gel. Once again, I've not opened this, but I can see that it's completely clear. I love aloe vera gel that is completely clear. Let's take a quick look at the key ingredients. Organic aloe vera 99.5%, organic French lavender 0.2%, organic sweet almond 0.3%, and natural preservative. They even have a note. This product contains a high strength of aloe vera that may cause sensitivity, redness, or allergic reaction. Before you begin using it, we recommend testing it on a small area of skin to make sure you aren't sensitive to the product. I love that they mentioned that for external use only, and avoid direct contact with eyes. I love that they mentioned it because if you've watched my previous video on skincare lies, I was reading the comments and I saw how many people are allergic to aloe vera, and I didn't know that, you know, people could be allergic to aloe vera. Like, I'm also always learning from you guys, you know. So I have so much respect for a brand that actually says it on their tub. Just do a patch test. And she's done a complete ingredient list and everything, unlike some brands that give a very vague idea of, oh, it contains turmeric and aloe vera, but how much and what else? Next up, more makeup brushes, guys. I've got the whole set of Nykaa brushes as well. You know, I'm gonna be trying these out and I will give you my review of this also in probably my Instagram stories. Guys, if you want quick reviews, Instagram stories is the place to be at. So it's the Blend Pro makeup brush set. So that also seems like a very complete set for a beginner, but more information, guys, in my later videos. Oh yes, we have one more from Jivana.com. Now I'm excited. What do you think it will be? What do you think? Actually, pause and comment down below. Do you think it'll be a necklace, a pair of earrings, or another bracelet? It's another pair of earrings! Ding, 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 ding. How many of you got it right? Huh? Wow, look at that. And that, my friends, is everything that I got from India. Hope you found this helpful or entertaining. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to click that like button just underneath this video. And I shall see you on my Instagram. I love you. Mwah.